Hello students, welcome to my class. Today I have come here by taking the topic Laws of Indices. In this video, we are going to use the laws of indices. Look, first law, as we know, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Base same, we have to add the power. And second law, we know that base same here, look, we are going to divide, then we have to write only one base and we have to subtract the power. Similarly, look, a and b both there is multiplied together and this whole power is m. In such case, this m is the power of a also, m is the power of b also. Okay, here is the multiply symbol. Next law, a divided by b whole power m. Okay, it means it is the power of a also, numerator, and it is the power of b also. Here a to the power m, its whole power m, this n. Okay, in such case we have to do this m and n multiplication, right? Look, a to the power m whole power n, m into n. Okay, power and whole power is multiplied. And more laws, look, a to the power 0 equals to 1, and if negative power, then we have to change its place. Okay, if it is numerator, we have to take in denominator to make its power positive. And here this nth root of a means when you cancel the root, then it will go below this power, because a power it has 1. Okay, then a to the power a by n. Now look some examples here. In this example, look, x to the power a by x to the power b, its whole power is a plus b, and x to the power b by x to the power c, whole power is b plus c, x to the power c by x to the power a, its whole power c plus a. Now when you take the power this up, okay, it is the division case, that's why we have subtracted the power. Okay, the power and this whole power will be multiplied, a minus b, a plus b. Same thing we have to do for the second and third one. As you know that when you multiply a plus b with a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. Okay, that power will be added because bases are same, look there, and they are multiplied. This power plus this power plus this power we have to do. Then it's a to the power 0, then we will get 1, which is our right hand side. Like this we prove this question. Now let's see next one. In this question, what we have to do, look here, all the bases are same, and first of all remove this power px. Okay, p into x minus y, this power will be added because bases are same, right? Then when you add this power, look, x minus x0, y minus y0, this look, z minus z0, and p into 0, that means 0. A to the power 0 means we have 1. Okay, which is our right hand side. Like this we prove this question. Now next, look there, here is the case of division, that's why we have to subtract this power because base is same. A minus b it will be, then when a minus b multiplied with a square plus ab plus b square, it is in the formula aq minus bq. Okay, like this, x to the power a minus b it will be, then a minus b multiplies with a square plus ab plus b square, it gives aq minus bq. Okay, then we have to add this power. Okay, and when we add this power, we will get 0, then x to the power 0 means 1, which is our right hand side. Okay, like this we solve this questions. Today this much only. Thank you very much. Let's keep practicing questions, okay, from school mathematics.